Ria bono butuko bwarero tugochaka no roboti rukubwatekana ni kiama kia ODM ikiama ikyo niko bono kia mwakirisi ko Omokonyi BW'OMORAI BW'EKIAMA Godfrey OSOTSI obigoro mo senator we county ya Vihiga ase Omoyega wariganirwa o Sndc oyo korekana ime omochio Nairobi ase getigia jamhuri oyo oragwa no Omorai BW'EKIAMA ikyo Oburu Oginga munyakerugo BW'EKIAMA ikyo Gladys Wanga hamona baraibande aboikarana ase nsemo yo ase nigo bono batebire tibagochigwancha onde bwensi ase ekiama ikyo ogosariana guturubania emeigeyo na kogenda maminja nerichiko ose erichiko ryekiama ase boigo batebire goikabache gokora chinkwana nekiama kia UDA erio gwe yarigania obosio bobochorio bono mwaka bwechirubere berongebere na isano nebere.
I want to get a proposer and a seconder for Senator Godfrey OSOTSI to be the deputy party leader of ODM. Haya, asanteni sana. Asanteni sana. Sasa Senator wa Vihiga hana proposer na seconder. As many of that opinion say aye. As many of that opinion say nay. Sasa kama huna proposer na seconder inamaanisha wewe hawezi kupata hiyo kiti.
That as we continue to negotiate in this broad-based arrangement, all of you know that we came through the window in this broad-based government. And we were left there by my brother Raila Amolo Odinga. He's the one who left us there. But before then, we are starting negotiations to prepare ourselves because elections is 2027, which is next year. We cannot just sit back and wait for 2027 and then we start moving and negotiating.
As read together with Article 49 of the Orange Democratic Movement Party Constitution, and considering the obligations of the Office of the National Chairperson as set out under Article 18 of the ODM Constitution, notice is hereby given to formally adjourn the meeting of the Special Delegates Convention, Sndc, this Friday, 27th March 2026, at the ASK Dome, Jamhuri Showground, Nairobi City, County. Asanteni na Mungu awabariki.